I'm pumped. I don't know about you guys, but I'm pumped. Every single trade that I took today was a massive win. I prepared everyone who watches my videos the best setups at the best prices, the best levels to be trading at. Today, the Daily Sniper absolutely crushed it. We don't just talk the talk, we walk the walk. What is going on, traders? We guys crushed it today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made an absolute bag today. Over 10,000 USD on the day today, as well as preparing you guys to trade the best setups at the best prices. Let's get into it. So, first things first, look at these arrows. Dub. Look at this arrow, big dub. Look at this arrow, massive dub. Look at this, big dub. That's what the Daily Sniper Discord alerted live on live stream today. But you guys know that. You guys have been watching my videos. I prepared you guys to trade the best setups at the best prices. I prepared everyone who watches these videos that SPY is crazy bullish. I warned everyone, and look what happened today. If you were a part of my pre-market live stream this morning, if you did not watch it, go to my channel, click live, watch the latest video from the Daily Sniper this morning. My pre-market analysis, I don't want to toot my own horn or anything, but was dead on. No one could touch us, guys. It was the perfect trading plan today. And if you are red today, losing is a choice. I'm telling you, what I tell you in real life, what I tell you in social media, on YouTube, it's the facts, guys. Because I don't BS. I don't just talk. When I do a YouTube video or I make a social media video, I'm just telling everyone what I see on the SPY. And today was a picture perfect day. First trade of the day. Even though we were immensely bullish on the day today, we sold off a market, right? As soon as we saw it starting to come up, guys, we got into puts at the lower high. 549 puts. Deep in the money. Come on, man. But I was bullish on the day, just like how everyone in here should be bullish on the day. Why? Because the previous resistance levels that we were trading at. I'm going to show you right now why it was so bullish on the day. You guys probably already know this. 547 to 550. Look at the resistance. Look at the resistance. Look at the resistance. Come on, man. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to know that 547 to 547.50 is crazy, crazy resistance, right? Now, ended up getting puts here. I didn't end up buying calls because I wanted it to hit 547.50 minimum or 547 for the best setups. Even though I was bullish on the day, and it's okay. I was bullish. I knew the direction, but I was only buying if my levels hit, they didn't hit. So it's okay. I made bank. 549 puts, deep in the freaking money. $1.50 move, right? What was the next trade we ended up getting into at? Easy. I warned you guys. If SPY breaks out of 551.46, it is going to rocket to fill the gap. We'll save that for a little bit later on, right? But the first reaction was the best level to be doing shorts at, right? And look at this, right to 550. I told everyone, watch the pre-market live stream, please. The pre-market live stream this morning was the most dead-on accuracy video you could ever even dream of when it comes to options trading or day trading in general. I said, the first reaction, I'm going to buy 551 puts and bring these deep in the money. Where do I plan on selling? I'm going to be selling at 550. Why 550? Because 550 is the first level it could bounce at, right? And then we broke through it, but we held it. Held it at support. This is why we sell puts at support. It's common sense. This is what we teach at the Daily Sniper. We make the key levels, we size it appropriately, and we sell the move. And it worked perfect. What was the next trade I ended up getting into at? You don't even want to know. You don't even want to know. You guys aren't ready for this. I literally got 548 calls today. 548 calls. Alerted live to the Discord. In real time. We're not just talking the talk and making random YouTube videos. No, we're in the Discord making money day in and day out. Dimitri and myself ended up getting 548 calls. and brought these disgustingly in the money. This alone, I was green on the day on this trade. I hit $4,000 on this trade. I hit $1,500 on this trade. I hit $4,000 on this trade. We're not even done yet. Guys. Right? So we ended up alerting live 548 calls. What was the next level? And do you want to know why? That's probably why you guys are here, right? I probably should explain a little better. Sorry, I'm hyped today, guys. We made a bag because the game plan worked to the T. So many people were chasing puts all day, but we knew it was up. So the reason why I ended up buying calls here, look at 550, right? Look at the touch points we have. You see all the support that we have, and it's a massive psychological level, right? We broke through this level. Why did I buy calls? Because 550 did not retest. 550 did not retest. Now let's look at the 30-minute time frame of why we ended up buying calls. Look at the 30-minute doji. This is a trend reversal candle. This is the reason why we bought calls at the low of the morning, at the afternoon session. And look what it did. It went from 548.99 to 553.50. It was a simple bull flag. A lot of people were expecting an M. Oh, it's an M shape. Oh, it's a lower high. No. SPY's bullish. Why is SPY bullish? Look at our key levels. Look at the previous resistance of 547 and 547.50. Look at the support. Every lower level was a support. There's no reason to be bullish today. That's the reason why I ended up buying calls. It was a phenomenal entry, right? And I told everyone, 552. If 552 becomes the support, I told you guys 551.46, right? But if 541.50 comes to support, we're going to rip 2 full points. Guys, please tell me what happened right here. 541.46. Where did it go? 2 full points. I told you guys it's free money. It was a free money trade. And I was even live on the Discord. I don't even go live on the Discord in the afternoon. I was live on the Discord because today was picture perfect. And we just kept making money, so we just stayed on all day. 551.46. Look at the support. Broke through. I actually got puts here and made a friggin' bag. I got in at $1.07 and sold at $1.30 something, right? Just quick same day puts. Made bank on that. Made like $2,000 on this trade alone. Crushed it. But I told you guys, if the big level, and watch my old other video, guys, I keep forget what I'm talking about, but look at this level, 550 to 551.46. Look at the range we're in. Every time we dip down, we rocket. Dip down, rocket. Dip down, rocket. Reject, massive downside potential. So we had a big gap to fill. A fair value gap, milk and cookies, baby. So what ended up happening was as soon as we broke through the massive level of resistance, we have no key levels up here. So the next level we had was why I was telling everyone it's free call money. Dimitri and myself were in calls, in same day, far out the money calls because we knew it was going to hit the gap. All the put to call ratio was all puts today. We knew it was going to skyrocket. Stop thinking like a retail. Follow the big money. Big money is directed up. It takes $400 billion to move the SPY, the S&P 500, 10 points. Take that in. So why would people invest $400 billion just to sell it right here? It wasn't going to happen. Everyone was shorting 550 puts. I said, don't short 550 puts. Don't short 550. It's too bullish. You need to wait for the best levels to be trading at. The first level to be trading at was 551.46. The next level was a gap, which brings me to the next trade. So a strategy that I've been teaching for multiple years is called the gap close reversal strategy. But there's also such thing as a gap and go or a partial fill. SPY partially filled the gap today. We were off by 28 cents. And then how were you able to confirm this? Look at all the weakness that we have here. Look at all the weakness. That's why we got the big sell-off. It was a partial gap close reversal. Now look in the after hours right now. SPY's going to go and fill the gap. We're still bullish. Look at the daily candle. There's zero reason to be getting puts. There's zero reason to be swinging puts. The big money is long. Follow the big money. Retail keeps getting trapped. I learned my lesson hard last week, right? I was following retail. Like, it just kept tanking and taking. I was buying calls because I was so bullish. Lost 25K. Next day, reset, made all my money back. And now I'm going with the trend. That's why I was able to identify and buy 548 calls when you got to understand. Let me put the chart like this, right? Look at this. Imagine we're trading right now. Look at that. Everyone's getting puts. This is so bearish. This is so bearish. Look, I friggin' bought calls. I bought calls right here. Look how bearish it was, right? Look how bearish it was. Because we're buying in at the best level at all times. I don't even know how long this video is right now. Guys, I'm sorry. I'm freaking hyped today. I made a bag. The game plan worked correctly. Now, let's get into why you're here. You don't want to hear about how I made 5 figures today. You don't want to hear how Dimitri made 5 times what I made today. You don't want to hear how Options Doctor has the worst entries all the time, but makes a shit ton of money. What we're paying attention to is what is the game plan for tomorrow. So, the gap 553.78 has not been filled yet. This is a gap we are waiting for to fill for a possible gap close reversal. But as Dimitri was showing the Discord earlier, guys, he's like, guys, click the 2-hour time frame, right? I'm doing it with you guys right now. Sorry, my screen's freaking nuts, okay? He told the Discord to zoom out on the 2-hour time frame, and you tell me what level we're going to. You look at my chart right now. Where are we going to? Let me zoom out a little more, right? Every single person in Discord said 556. So why the hell are people swinging, getting so bearish? We broke out of a macro trend. SPY is immensely bullish. We are going to 556 inevitably. No reason, especially with the daily candle, to be swinging puts. There's no reason why to be shorting today. And I was so vocal in Discord all day today. I would see someone say entering puts. I'm like, fuck no, bro. Don't touch puts. You're crazy. It's bullish. And we knew the destination. So, moving forward to tomorrow, the best level for puts is going to be right here at 557. That's the best level for puts. To try puts. I personally think we're making a higher high. We have a gap to fill at literally all-time highs, right? SPY fills its gaps. Are we going to fill it? I don't know. But I'm definitely going to be trading like we're going to be filling it. And I'm going to be waiting for the confirmation. The first place I want puts at is tomorrow, I'm going to try puts at 554. I don't know if it's going to work, but I'm going to try it. Because only from this Fibonacci retracement right here, this fair value gap, I'm going to try puts here, okay? I'm going to try them here because it is a great level. I'm not going to lie. It's a great level, but the trend's extremely bullish. We made a higher low. So where's the market want to go? It's going to go up to 557. It's inevitable. We're going there. I'm telling you right now. But you need to know where you're buying at. So where are you going to be buying call options at? Simple. We're going to zoom out. The best spot to be buying call options right now that we're bullish, is 549 calls. Bring these deep in the money. If 550 rejects, do you know where we're going? We're going to 547 straight. $3 down. I'm telling you right now. If we reject 547, we're going to be going right here where SPY loves to be at. 545 to 545.50. Will we make it there? I don't know. But if it rejects 557 or 547, that's exactly where we're going. Tomorrow's trading plan, I want puts around 554s. If we gap up, I'm hitting puts at 556.60. If we gap down, I'm going to be buying calls. The best level to be buying calls is 545 to 546, this zone. But another great level is the previous resistance, to retest the previous resistance of 547. We come down there, I'm pegging calls. That's it, guys. I live stream every single day. The Daily Sniper Discord, wap.com/the Daily Sniper. I don't know what I said in this video. I'm still celebrating today. Hope you guys crushed it, though. Monday to Friday at 9:15 a.m., 15 minutes before market open, 9:15 a.m. Eastern time, guys. I live stream every single day for the pre-market. I give you guys my technical analysis. I give you guys the game plan for the day. Make sure to join us, guys. There's no more discounts happening with the Daily Sniper. Prices are getting increased. We've been crushing it lately, day in and day out. We're so happy to be able to extend our family, guys. And as long as you learn something from these videos, from the TikToks, from the Instagrams, it's a win-win situation, guys. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see everyone tomorrow. Take care.